Maschinenbau booth here at the K2025. We are glad that you are taking the time to join us for this short interview. Please briefly introduce yourself. Who are you and what's your position?
Hi, my name is Anna Klapper. I'm working as a project manager OEM and Pharma at Videojet Technologies.
Hello everyone, I'm Viviane Munix. I work with SABIC, market development team in Europe.
Hello everyone, my name is Peter Langkamp and I'm working as product manager at Kautex Maschinenbau.
Hello, my name is Benedict Brenken and I'm director of R-Cycle.
Thank you all. Welcome once again. Behind you or next to you we see the KV20 Green. It's producing jerry cans live here at the K-Show. R-Cycle has taken the initiative to create a use case to demonstrate how a circular economy can work when companies collaborate within a consortium. Vivian, SABIC supplies the raw material for this jerry can. What's special about this and how is it connected to R-Cycle?
Yes, thank you for the question. So the jerry cans are made with SABIC HDPE B5429 polymer, which is a typical resin for blow molding productions. Now the resin is offering an excellent balance between easy processing and good stiffness and toughness. And of course within these applications we need also a high stress crack resistance, because products are packed in the inside here, which can be detergents, solvents, bleach, whatever. And that's why we also have something special with this jerry can. Now it's a 3-layer jerry can, and the middle layer is made of the regrind of our HDPE B5429 polymer, showing the excellent recyclability capabilities of the material. Next to this, the outer layer of the jerry cans are produced from the virgin quality material. And that is of course because you need to comply with food contact regulations, and also you want to have the perfect aesthetics for the jerry can. Now, maybe also to make a link to the R-Cycle, actually SABIC as the polymer has started the process, and we are more than happy to provide all the data that is required for the rest of the process to enhance the recyclability as a full concept.
Thank you very much. Guido, the jerry cans are being made on a KV20 Green, which premieres here at the K-Show. What's special about this machine and how is the link to R-Cycle?
Yeah, we are presenting here a KV on the show, but not an old one, full hydraulic one. This is a transformed one. This is our new full electrical KV20 Green, which uses servo drives for efficient movement. Moreover, the machine has a 3-layer application, and as Vivian already mentioned, we have a regrind layer in the middle, which can cope with post-industrial regrind or post-consumer regrind. So this machine is already ready to do requirements on PPWR. So what's so special about the machine and what about R-Cycle? When we were discussing what we are going to do on the show this year, we decided that we want to show something tangible, and to show that digital product passports are already possible and not something in the future. So this is why we decided to make a joint use case with R-Cycle. And for us, sustainability is more than just a web page, it's our active role in the R-Cycle community.
Perfect, sounds great. Thank you very much. Anna, Videojet Technologies is presenting the tool for laser marking here, enabling direct and personalized serialization. What is special about this machine and which role does it play in the connection with R-Cycle?
Yeah, let me tell you, we're showing here our new Videojet 7920 laser marking system, which we released this year. So it's a 4-watt UV laser, which is very special and not so often on the market. And what we're doing is we're marking a QR code directly on the jerry can. Why this is important? Of course, we're not using any additives. This is just a color change, so a chemical reaction. And you can scan the code and get the information about this can and cap related to R-Cycle. You need, with all the regulations coming up and also for internal purpose, often an individualized code. And so here we're not just doing it on the product level, but on the batch level. And that can be done, of course, directly in line in the machine. So we're really happy to showcase this together with you.
Perfect, thanks Anna. Benedict, R-Cycle has been a steadily growing consortium over the past years in the plastics industry. Its goal is to establish a viable circular economy along the entire product life cycle based on data exchange and transparency, as we just heard. What is needed to achieve this, and which role do use cases like this play for the R-Cycle consortium?
Yeah, I think data is actually the key to make circular economy work. And this means data exchange and the involvement of all the different stakeholders of the value chain. As we see here, starting with the raw material manufacturer, machine manufacturer, converters, users, and recyclers. This is also reflected by a lot of legislation that is coming in place to force the implementation of the circular economy. Use cases like this here are very crucial for our cycle. Data is sometimes a very complex topic, and they make it tangible, to make it easy to experience how this can work and how this data exchange can happen in practice. And they also show very concrete the benefits for all the involved stakeholders, which is important to make this investments in circular economy work.
Perfect. Thank you all for taking the time, joining us here for this quick interview. I wish you all the best for the last days of the K2025 and looking forward to further projects with you. Thank you.